Today I'm going to show you how to use the addition on a number line using landmark numbers tool in DreamBox. This is specifically a third grade lesson, however students before or after third grade could have this lesson on DreamBox, so let's take a look together today. I'm going to start by clicking the help button here because I'm not sure exactly where to start.
Type the answer to the equation. Then click OK. You can use the number line to help you find the answer.
So, students can go directly to the answer if they know it, or they can use the number line. I'm going to use the number line today. I like starting exactly where my first number is when I'm adding, so I'm going to start with 49. So I click and I type it in there. Now, I know I need to go forward because I'm adding more to my number line. I need to add 47 more, but that's not a friendly number for me, so I'm going to start with adding just one to make that exactly 50 because that's a more friendly number for me to add with. So now I have 46 left that I need to add. I'm going to go ahead and hop over 40 because I know that answer. So I hop over 40. 50 plus 40 is 90. Now I've added 41, and I know that because my hops are 1 hop and 40 hops. I need to do another hop of 6. So I'm going to hop 6 more. And when I add 6 more, I get 96. Now I've added 40, 41, 47. And my answer is 96. So I'm going to click this top box and type 96 and check my work. So that's how you use that tool.
Ready to continue.
So now that I know how to use the tool correctly, how would I maybe use it incorrectly if I was a student? Some students might just start adding numbers and they don't know what they're doing. Which, if I were to just add these numbers here, it would not get me the right answer. I've seen students not use the equation up top to solve the equation on the number line. Let's see what happens if I were to click the wrong answer. So it tells me that I'm wrong, so I might want to start over. To start over, I'm going to click this reset button. I'm going to tell students to always start with this first number here, 89. Now, I need to add 77 more. So if I go straight to adding 77 more, and I try and do that in my head, I might get it right, but I also might not get that right. I might say, okay, 8 plus 7 is 15. Oops. And 9 plus 7 is 16. And it won't even let me type a 4-digit number, so I already know that it is wrong. I like that this turned red to tell me that it's wrong here so that I can restart again. Now I'm going to tell my students to start with friendly numbers. You can do this lots of different ways, and how each student does it is going to be different. They might say, okay, I want that 89 to actually be 100 because I can add from 100 a lot better than from 89. So I might say, okay, how far away is 89 from 100? And they would say, okay, it's 11 away. So it's like, let's add 11. When I add 11, that becomes 100. Now that I have a 100 easy number to start with, I know I've already used 11 of that. So I still have some more to use, 66 more. So the students might say, okay, let's add 30. And that's 130. Perfect. Now I've added 41 and I need to get to 77. So I'm going to keep on hopping until I get to my desired number. I'm going to do 20, 150. So I have done 50, 61. I'm going to do 10 more. Enter, which would give me 160. Now I have 10, 30, 60, 71. So I have 6 more of a hop. Just a smaller hop, which would be 166. now that I've added 77, I can type in 166. But let's see what happens if my number line is correct, but if I was a student and typed in 165 on accident.
You can use the number line to help you find the answer.
So it's telling me to use my number line. So I'm going to type in 166, and now I got it correct. And that's
Click
how
next when you are ready to continue.
And that's how you use the number line feature in DreamBox.